Welcome back with another video. Today my topic is that how you can accurately download the firmware file of the Galaxy S26 Pro Ultra, S26 Ultra, and how you can root S26 Ultra, and how you can properly firmware your smartphone Galaxy S26 Ultra. I will cover up three topics in this video, and I will make another video that how you can download the accurate Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra USB driver that support properly. Let's begin the video. You are seeing the comment on my channel continuously and keep asking that Infinite Hot 12 and the type of smartphone problem they are asking. Anyway, the main software is to download that is Odin software. Install the Samsung USB drivers. Okay, Odin software. Odin download. You can search Samsung USB drivers and some website from where we will download the accurate firmware file. Just click here to download the latest option. Okay, click on the Odin. Click here to download the Odin software properly. That's all. We already downloaded this option. Okay, now download the USB drivers. Click here to download. We already have, so we don't need to follow up this option as well. Okay, here we are our website. There's name some for, and I will search S26 Ultra. You can see a lot of options, a lot of the files are confusing me that which file I should download that work well with me with my smartphone device and properly accurate. Okay, first I show you the accurate firmware file from how you can download. Like here is the option check IMEI number. Okay, now how you get your IMEI number? I am showing you that this is the image that help you. This is the image I took from the Google, and go to the setting and about phone. Okay, about phone. After that, you can see the IMEI number here. In the IMEI number, you can see. Okay, copy that IMEI number 355 464 111 948617. Okay, you can do the same step according to me, then you will get the accurate firmware file properly. This is the smartphone S20 plus 5G smartphone, but you can do same steps. All of the steps are same, but you can put your IMEI number here and you will get your smartphone device data properly. And here is the option. You can see download firmware file. This is the accurate firmware file, and the last option is how you can match your firmware file. Here are the a lot of the files. You can see 1 to 52 time. Okay, there's a lot of the file. Then I would like to show you the another image that I took from the Google. Okay, go to the setting, then about phone, then software information. Okay, then you can see the built-in build number, and you can match your last four digit with your firmware file. Let me show you. This is the for last four digit. You can see last four digit, last four digit. You can match. Once you match your last four digits, you will get, you can click on that file, and like this I am gonna do this, and you can see download options, AP file, BL file. Okay, one video we have covered up, that is how we can download the accurate firmware file. Now moving to the another option, that how you can properly root your device. The steps are the same. You are at the firmware file. Now you can see the IP file, BL file, CP and home, and user data file, CSC file. Okay. FRP unlock is also we have done. You can see the option. If you want to download all of the file, you can do this for this option. If you want to download manually, you can download manually one by one. Okay. Once you download the file, now I would like to open the Odin software. This is the root device option I am doing, and you can do the same with the firmware file. The USB driver we already installed. Here is the BL file I downloaded from here. You can see BL file. Okay, I would like to extract here. Okay, now I would like to upload the BL file here perfectly all over the match. Now you can upload more files, AP files, CP and CSC, and use the data file one by one properly. And once you complete downloading and upload the file here, you can just put the start button. That's all. You properly rooted your smartphone device. Now, how you can do the firmware? There's the option. There's a problem is now I am just saying the steps you can do yourself. Okay, switch off your smartphone and keep continuously press the volume button and volume down button and power button consistent continuously up to 10 seconds once you see any blue screen on the smartphone. Once you see the blue screen, then you can just uh, reboot your smartphone and then it will reboot properly and you have completely firmware properly of your device. I hope you understand my guidelines one by one. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching my video. That's all.